Alright, we have a ton here, so I'm just going to go through them. 719 for Whirlpool's got the controls on the top, and then chrome. 899, too much. This looks an intriguing one. 674 for a Maytag. Straight silver. Controls are on the front, but they're rather sleek. Looks to be a decent chrome inside. Here's 809 for another Maytag. Next one up, so controls up on the top. And it's got the third thing up on top, which I don't know that we really need that, but whatever, it's got it. The straight silver. LG for 674, controls in the front. To be fairly clean on the inside. 1,000. Here is a Samsung for 479 with controls on top. Ooh, this maybe is the one. And that's that. Controls on top. And then chrome on the inside. So that one's pretty good. KitchenAid 1000. On this side we have 584. What brand is this? This is a Samsung for 584. Controls on the front. And got the triple thing. So it's got this thing up top, which I don't know what we really need it for. Seems it just slows down the top scrubber, but whatever. There's another Samsung 719. Controls on top, but it's got the rail. I think I like these without the rail better. Full chrome with the third stacking thing. This is another Samsung, but 854, more than we need. As we look on the inside, as long as from here, yeah, just more of the same. Maybe coated a little differently. Samsung 1000, KitchenAid 809. That's black, chrome with the handle, 854. Over their top end, looking with 989. I think that's it.